Well, folks, it looks like Anthropic just pulled a fast one on us. There's a lot of downgrades, unfortunately, for a lot of people using Anthropic, especially if you're using the coding plans. So here's what's affected. So if you're free, you're affected. If you're pro, you're most impacted by this change. Max and Max 20x, yeah, it's gonna be across the board basically. So what exactly happened? So around 4 or 5 days ago, people started noticing that during their 5 hour session, it's draining faster during peak hours. So tokens counted at an accelerated rate. I mean that's a little bit sketchy, right? Technically speaking, so basically, what happened was that people were realizing that they're burning through the tokens a lot faster. The value for this plan is getting lower. What's not affected is API users because they charge per token. So yeah, if you want to burn money through API, sure, you're unaffected, you're good. If you're a corporate user, it's good. But for the average user who's on, say, a $20 monthly plan, you might be noticing that you're gonna burn through those tokens like crazy, right? And there's an official confirmation by this already. So Tariq on X already said that they're adjusting the 5 hour limits for free max sub users, and they actually did this silently before it went live, which is what I find a little bit sketchy. All right, like AI companies can move fast, but at least tell us what's going on, right? If we have less value for the amount of money that we're paying, well, at least tell us, right? I think that's the issue. So initially, the community assumed it was a glitch. It was people were raging on Reddit. They're just typing, "What's happening? What's happening? Why is it messed up? When is this gonna be fixed?" Well, guess what? It's not gonna be fixed. It's a feature, not a bug. So yeah, Anthropic is very likely dropping the amount of subsidies that they're doing for each coding plan. So how it works is that normally on these plans there is a certain subsidy from Anthropic because you can actually use quite a lot during these sessions, and if you use more than it costs Anthropic, then they have to subsidize you. But what's very likely happening right now is that because Anthropic is preparing their next model, Mythos, which, well, so far it seems to be really, really strong, they might be needing that compute power for their own, training. So, because of that, they're throttling down everyone. I feel like downgrades are never appreciated. And I feel like this is a situation where a lot of people might be reacting and saying, hey, should I move to something a little bit cheaper? So max plan users are the hardest hit, and I guess max plan users are the most hardcore, right? If you're already paying $200 a month, you are doing some heavy duty stuff, and me included. So sometimes what I do is during the nighttime, I would say, hey, just build up this weird idea for me. Okay, I don't care how many tokens you're using. I'm gonna sleep. Just make it happen. Okay, sometimes I do that, and that obviously costs Anthropic a lot of money because they have to run servers and the GPUs have to work, and there's a problem. So this is the problem is that one of the problems is that the Anthropic never really publishes exact token limits of what you can use. So they give themselves the flexibility, but we do notice when the amount of usage we get gets cut. So yeah, they were not very transparent um, about this, and then they're probably one of the only companies that are less transparent about this. So both OpenAI and Google, they publish rate limits very clearly. The Chinese models do that too, right? Technically speaking. So Minimax, if you use Minimax plan, yeah, you know how many requests you have and roughly what's going on. So yeah, so this hidden feature is published, and then they're saying that their systems under massive strain. They want to increase their efficiency, and yeah, that's probably around it. Not so. I guess one tip that you guys can have is technically speaking, you guys can work at off-peak hours if you really need to use Anthropic. If you don't need to use Cloud Opus and you can program like Minimax or the Chinese models, they're a lot cheaper. Yesterday we did a video that popped off about GLM5. I want to actually do more about that video. So, but unfortunately, they're also suffering some problems too. So, I guess AI is so popular these days. So I was trying to use as one of these alternatives. I'm gonna show you guys here just very quickly. This is Claude Code running with GLM 5.1. It's been a frustrating day because it's just not running. So I guess you're stuck between like a rock and a hard place. Like some models just are slow. Some models are good, but they're just expensive. Yeah, but I actually don't really appreciate how they're doing. Like, I understand why they did it. I understand that it's a subsidy, they can remove it at any time. But at the same time, it's like, like if you paid for something beforehand with the expectation of getting something, even if it's subsidized, but now you get something else, what does that mean? So, anyways, guys, are you frustrated by this? Tell me in the comment section down below. I'm not impressed by how they handled the situation, especially not telling the community beforehand. I think that's kind of ridiculous. But regardless, they still have, the best model, so they can do this. Like, that's the worst part, right? They can do this because they can. If you want the strongest intelligence. But that being said, of course, we did mention yesterday that like GLM5 is catching up. Minimax 2.7 is catching up, especially for agentic use cases. So yeah, I mean, now is probably the best time to switch if you haven't done so already. With that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!